Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to makeup routine during the autumn winter time. I'm very simple with my makeup at the moment. I mean, I'm a mum now and sometimes I just don't really wear a lot of makeup. Energy. So I'm going to be doing my go-to simple everyday kind of autumn winter makeup. So I've done my brows off camera because they take forever and I thought it would be less time. So the first thing that I like to do is do like a moisturizer on my face. I've actually been using this Nivea Soft Creme moisturizer. It's really good because it's just very hydrating and moisturizing, and that's what I need. That is just what we need during these times. I've also been kind of doing a lot of everyday makeup this week because I've got this awful bad boy of a spot here that's just decided to pop up and live with me, and I just don't want you anymore. Can you go? And he's taking forever. I'm calling it a he because it's monstrosity. I want it to go, so I'm just trying to do sort of a bare makeup minimum and let my skin breathe, but still I don't want to look too crazy on a Sunday, so I'm trying to do something that's just nice. So foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation, and this one is in the colour Sand. And what I love about this foundation is that it's just so easy to apply. Like honestly, do we all really use a beauty blender every single day? Do we? Because I don't. I love this stippling brush. This stippling brush has been with me for many years and I love her and I'm never getting rid of her. I definitely recommend you guys to try a stippling brush for your foundation. It just makes things go on so much more quicker. It's just easy for everyday makeup, especially when you've got a baby and you just need to quickly do your makeup. So that's what I like to do. Mostly start on my neck and blend it right out, otherwise, you know. And then what I do is I take a damp beauty blender and I'll just press it in a bit more, just so it's nice and blended. But can you see the coverage? I've really not put a lot of coverage on. It's just the lightest coverage. This one is, I think it's a medium to full. I'm not quite sure if this is medium to full Dream Satin Liquid, but it is definitely satiny, like it says. It's very smooth and you can still see your skin through it. So when it comes to everyday makeup for me, usually I don't have this bad boy of a spot. Usually my skin is pretty good to me, but I have just come off some antibiotics and I feel like it's just playing up. My skin is trying to adapt to my new no antibiotics thing. So usually what I would do is kind of just leave it like this, but because I've got this and I've also got you know, like darkness under my eyes, what I like to do is take a little bit more, and I'm just going to take some just under my eyes itself, and also I'm going to have to try and cover that spot up a bit more. Oh, it's not even a spot, it doesn't even pop. It's one of them ones that's, I can't explain it. It's like dry, like a scabby spot, but I don't know why, because there was no spot there. It just turned into, it was just a huge bump, and then I tried to pop it and it's turned into like a scab. So don't pop your spots, kids. Okay, so that's what I like to do. Then first of all, I'm going to do my face makeup and then move on to my eyes. So the first thing I like to do with an everyday makeup is blush. Blush and bronze is my go-to. I need blush and bronze, otherwise I look like Casper the Ghost. So I like to use for everyday is this Gel Cosmetics palette. This one is called the Starlet palette, the Honeymoon palette, and you actually get 2 blushes and 1 bronzer, which is just so handy, you know. So I'm going to start by applying some bronzer. I mean, look at that, it's just so simple and it's not too much, you know. And then what I like to do is go in with that blusher in the middle because it's gorgeous. These are called, the bronzer is called Forever and the blusher is called First Class. Yeah, I've really been enjoying makeup at the moment, just not like, I don't know, I've been really enjoying makeup and sort of experimenting with it, trying different things. I think with the times that we're in at the moment, we've just got so much time on our hands that we can do these things. And you know, I feel blessed to be able to just sit here. Liam is at home, it's Sunday, he's got Olivia, and I can just film and get on with some makeup. So every day, no matter if it's a day off, whatever, everyday makeup, I always have to wear highlight. I just love highlight. I'm just a fan of it. I'm a big fan of it. Whether I can find a highlight is another question. So I like to go in with a highlight on days like this because it's just important to have highlight. It just gives you your face a little bit of something. Hello, Snugs. She actually talks to me. I know, crazy, right? You guys are loving Snugs in the vlogs. she's just crazy. Okay, moving on to palettes now. Everyday makeup, I will either go to a brown or like a blush pink, or sometimes nothing, like a gold, or just completely nothing in mascara. But because I'm wearing pink and I'm sat here filming for you guys, I thought we could do like a bit of a, I don't know, like an everyday glam sort of thing. So this palette is gorgeous. It's by Makeup Revolution and it's called the Megastar Diamond Edition, and it's got 20 shades in here. Some of them are glitters and some of them are mattes. So you've got the glitters here and then you've got mattes, and they're just gorgeous. So the first colour that I'm going to go in with, we're going to do two colours and that is it. So I'm going to go in with the colour Naked. So it's this basically very nude brown, and it's just very easy to do. And I'm just going to pop her right in the crease. I cannot believe it's my daughter's birthday in 2 weeks. What's going on? She's 1, you guys. 1! Like, can you slow down, please? Next colour I like to go in is with this colour called Cute. Now this is just a simple creamy gold colour, and it's just literally so simple. And what I like to do is literally just apply this to the lids. I mean, can you get any more simpler than this? No. And then what I like to do is, whilst we're here, I like to take the colour, where are you, Glass, which is this matte white shade, and I'm just gonna basically pop that under my brows. That's it. That's all we do. Actually, there is one more thing that we have to do. Just have to do it. And I'm going to take the colour Cute again, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corners because it just adds something special to the day. And that is it for eyes. Obviously, we're going to do mascara because you know I love mascara. Mascara is just my jam. I don't wear false lashes. I just don't. I don't know why, but I just don't. I think it's because I've got a baby and I know that she's just going to rip them off. And is there any point? No. So I like to curl my lashes every single time I do my mascara because my natural lashes decide to just go flat and down, and I don't want that. So I think I'm going to get a lash lift when things calm down. I think I'm really going to try and get my lashes lifted. I used to get lash extensions, but as pretty as they are quite a lot of upkeep, and you have to keep getting them refilled, and I just don't really want to be going out and doing that. So, and I also do a lot of makeup tutorials and stuff, so sometimes it can get in the way of doing like glitters and things. So I think what I'm going to do is get my lashes permanently lifted. If any of you guys have done that, please let me know how you got on. Where's my mascara? There she is. On the floor, as per usual. If any of you guys have done that, please let me know, because I'd be really interested to see and hear what your thoughts are on it. I just think it'll be perfect for me because I just don't like false lashes. And I just think that I'm always, oh no. Welcome to real life. Oh my god. I kind of wish there was a DIY one. I'm really into doing things at home now. Like, obviously we have to. But I really want to, I've seen this laminated brow kit. And this brand has reached out to me about it. And they want me to try their laminated brow kit. But the woman that does all that for me, my brows and my lashes and stuff, she's just so good. And I know that I wouldn't be able to do it on her level. So, I don't know, but I don't think she's running at the moment with her company, so I may have to do it myself. Anyway, I would love to get my brows laminated because they're just a hot mess. Like, I'm done with them. I'm done with them. They're just not good at the moment. It's like they've just not been groomed and they're just not good. Okay, so I'm not gonna contour. Sometimes I contour on every day, like if I'm going out to run errands I might do a little baby contour, because I love this Rimmel Insta Duo contour stick. So you actually get a contour stick and you get a highlighter as well, well, illuminator, but you can use that as a highlighter as well. So this is pretty much what I do, and then obviously I do a little bit of setting spray. Sorry, Snugs. I had a feeling she was going to run away, but I thought, oh, she's staying. And that is pretty much what I do for my everyday makeup. Do I want to fix my hair? Am I going anywhere? No. So, do I need to? Probably not. But anyway, this is my everyday makeup. Oh no, honey, we've missed something. We have missed something. So what I like to do is, I'm a lip balm queen. I love lip balms. I wear them all the time. I'm constantly putting them on at night, in the morning, throughout the day. I get sent so many of them that I'm just constantly swapping them around and using them. But this one is the Nivea Mango Shine, and I like it because it doesn't do anything. Like, it doesn't give you like a look on your lips, doesn't leave any sort of tint or anything. But it smells good and it also tastes good. And it is very good for your hair, like for your hair. This is very good for your lips. It's really, really moisturising. So I like to do that. And then all I do for an everyday look, right, is I take a lip liner. This one, Devon Lip Twister. I'm sorry about that. No one needs to see that. And that's it. That's what I'll do. I'll just sort of outline my lips so I get a little bit more of a, you know, a nicer look. I don't know what to do with my hair. So that's what I'll do with my lip liner, is I'll do a little bit of a lip liner and then I will just put a balm on it, a lip balm, or sometimes I use this, which is a lip sheen. This one is 930, but it's actually, it says it's a matte, but it's more of a sheen. And it's in Nude Embrace. It's really pretty. It's like a sheeny nude. It's nice. So you guys, that is my everyday makeup and also my everyday hair. I don't think I'm gonna do my hair today. It's a Sunday. And the video is not about my hair. This is not what it's about. It's about my makeup.